I was really looking forward to the possibility that XRP will hit $10,000 0 cents. And you know what? That prediction has just gotten a whole lot more accurate. There's more to this than simply $10 0 cents per XRP, according to Larry Frink of BlackRock, who is fully on board with it. Apologies, but he's arguing that it's an essential requirement. Come on back to this place. Before we go into today's post, let's catch up. Would you mind doing me a tiny favor? I need to know where I can obtain all the information regarding XRP. Click the like, subscribe, and bell buttons to join our amazing community. Just wanted to give you a heads up about an awesome XRP present we're working on. Get ready, because prominent names in finance are going to be involved. Fear not, for things are about to improve. Rumor has it that BlackRock is planning to launch an exchange-traded fund, ETF, focused on XRP. Yes, you read that correctly. But wait, there's more. Looking at the massive real estate markets worth $30 trillion, 0 cents is what Larry Frink did. It's the XRP system, prepared to convert anything into tokens, so you can probably predict what's in store for it. Beyond the $10,000 0 cents price per XRP, Ripple will also receive a massive $120 0 cents quadrillion from the International Swaps and Traders Association. That's the way kids play, and it's awesome. Shall we proceed to the next section? Well, another major shock arose. According to Larry Frink of BlackRock, there's more to him than simply talking about how Ripple and its digital currency XRP are set to go large. The move by BlackRock towards an XRP ETF was verified by Larry Frink himself. Let's not waste any more time. Everything will be tokenized, and our movie will include a trailer that will grab people's attention in the next section. Take a look at this video at your leisure. One way we're making things official and safer is by adding a Bitcoin ETF. Do you have another ETF? What about an XRP ETF? I know there's Ether, but what about XRP? I'm not sure how to answer that, and I'm scared you're making fun of me. Anyway, there have been a number of unusual occurrences in the cryptocurrency industry as of late, particularly regarding XRP. Consider this Crypto.com. The value of XRP skyrocketed to an incredible $43,000 0 cents on the world-renowned market. This isn't an isolated incident. It is a trend towards XRP's value going up and expectedly a rise. Recall last week when we discussed an XRP bug at a major exchange that caused a spike in price of $7,000 0 cents? Well, now it's Crypto.com's turn. It appears that these kinds of unexpected price spikes for XRP occur frequently on various markets. Anyway, something else I discovered after extensive research is just as this is intriguing, but it has nothing to do with BlackRock or the recent spike in the price of XRP. Instead, we will discuss Gary Gensler, the renowned head of the SEC who succeeded Jay Clinton. As you may already be aware, Gensler consistently classifies XRP as a security. Robert M. Gensler is the younger brother of Gary Gensler. The two share a same appearance and are of the same age, highly comparable to his role as T. Rowe Price's VP Robert plays a significant role there. And if you dig a bit deeper, you'll find that T. Rowe isn't your average investment firm. It's one of the largest, pouring a ton of cash into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yes, XRP. Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, continues to label XRP as a security. On the other hand, his twin brother is heavily invested in XRP and other cryptocurrencies through an investment firm. This contrast is fascinating and makes me wonder about the intricate dynamics at work in the realm of cryptocurrency investments and regulations. Now, let's talk about an exciting possibility. Could Robert Gensler, VP of Troll Price, know something that nobody else does? While the SEC denies the existence of insider trading, numerous investigations have revealed its existence. These investigations have primarily focused on market manipulation and other forms of manipulation. When considering the company's substantial investments in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, the idea begins to make public sense. The SEC has been found to be doing the right thing on many occasions through insider trading. However, a pattern appears to be emerging when SEC employees inform their friends and family about digital assets that may soon no longer be classified as stocks. The value of these assets skyrockets because these loved ones bought them before the public announcement that they are no longer considered securities. It's possible that Robert Gindler's brother Gary Gindler gave him inside information on how the SEC could lose a case against XRP, which would have made these relatives and friends very wealthy. Intelligent investors would do well to seize this opportunity since it may indicate that Congress is keen on Ripple Labs and the SEC reaching an agreement. Potential to purchase XRP, but as the price of TRO rises, more capital will flow into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most importantly, XRP itself, adding another dimension to this tale. Many in the cryptocurrency community are speculating that XRP's value could soar to unbelievable heights, such as $10,000, 0 cents, $20, 0 cents, or even $60, 0 cents. I think an XRP ETF will be the first big play, but the fact that Jack the Rippler thinks its value will skyrocket and could even go over $589, 0 cents, shows how much people are interested in and speculating about XRP and its possibilities in the cryptocurrency market. Wall Street wants a piece of the XRP pie because it's so profitable. How about we delve even farther into this change? Former CEO of Ripple had to raise an eyebrow at this finding, and we need to talk about it. An analyst indicates that JP Morgan has made a huge move into XRP, which has caught the attention of Crypto Basic. As the tale goes, Ben Armstrong, a former employee of the BitBoy crypto brand, raised some provocative remarks regarding JP Morgan's purported investment in XRP, prompted an ex-Ripple director to respond. Armstrong, a prominent figure in the crypto community, wrote a series of posts regarding the matter. Armstrong claims that JP Morgan purchased 7.5 million XRP tokens, an amount that is now valued at approximately to give you a flavor of how much 7.5 million XRP is now worth. But hold on, this maths doesn't make any sense. 5% of JP Morgan's entire fortune. Armstrong's maths doesn't add out. $4,460,000. 0 cents is far less than 7.5% of JP Morgan's wealth. It's worth noting that JP Morgan's total assets are $3 trillion, 0 cents as of 2023. Despite this, Armstrong emphasizes the significance of JP Morgan's purported XRP stockpiling as part of a plan. In his opinion, this positions JP Morgan as a future Bitcoin powerhouse. Is considering making moves in the cryptocurrency market, particularly with XRP. While the math may not be great, the idea of major banks entering the crypto space is intriguing. This is all part of a larger trend where digital currencies and traditional banking are merging. And XRP is at the heart of some fascinating developments in this space. Armstrong's forceful statements have also highlighted Black